You know, I just find it so funny. You see all these videos out there about why to move to Las Vegas, why not to move to Las Vegas. If you live here, you don't like it. If you live here, you do like it. So here you have it. You're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, right? Or you want to know what's here, right? So that's why you're clicking on this YouTube channel and figuring out, going through and scrolling and figuring out what works, what doesn't work. Well, you know what? If you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, just come on out here for a visit. It's beautiful. I'm not sure why you wouldn't want to live out here, because it's actually pretty cool. It's sunny most of the time of the year. It hardly rains. Well, that is a downfall, but you know what? Other places have their own downfalls, like the East Coast. I'm from the East Coast. I don't like the rain and the snow. And so you have to determine what makes you want to live here in Las Vegas. Is it a job? Is it family? Is it the weather? Is it for a change?
People, do they have the same stores in Las Vegas as they do from where I'm from? Well, yes, they do. They have storage facilities, they have restaurants, they have all the big box name stores here, so you don't fret. They have what you have, except for maybe some small things like, unfortunately, they don't have Potbelly here. Oh my goodness gracious. Potbelly in Northern Virginia is the bomb. And I'm not sure if this is exclusive to Las Vegas, but they have a place called Pink Box Donuts. So as you can see, it's a beautiful day out here, and I hope you liked that clip. There are a lot more, so stay tuned for my other videos of living in Las Vegas in terms of housing tours, open house tours, and all that fun stuff. So if you are in the neighborhood, give me a call, 702-813-9454, and we will go find your dream home and get you moved in. We'll talk to you later. Bye.